Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a new Mac. First, power on your new Mac and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll connect to Wi-Fi and select your language. Next, decide how to transfer your data. Migration Assistant is excellent for moving everything from an old Mac, or you can use iCloud for seamless syncing. Finally, create your primary user account with a robust password to ensure your device is secure from the start. This initial process takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Now, let's personalize your Mac. Head to System Settings to customize your desktop background and arrange your dock icons for quick access. Adjust your trackpad or mouse sensitivity and gestures to suit your workflow perfectly. For security, enable File Vault. It encrypts your entire disk, safeguarding your information. Also, ensure automatic software updates are turned on, so your Mac always runs the latest, most secure version of Mac OS. With your settings configured, it's time for applications. Install your must-have apps from the Mac App Store or directly from developer websites. Keep your applications folder tidy by creating logical folders for different app categories. Remember to use Spotlight Search, activated by Command Space, for incredibly fast access to any file or application. For seamless access across devices, consider integrating a cloud storage service like iCloud Drive or Dropbox. Finally, let's talk about ongoing maintenance. Set up Time Machine with an external hard drive for automatic, hourly backups of your entire system. Regularly check for and install both Mac OS and application updates to maintain security and performance. Take a moment to review your privacy settings, ensuring applications only have necessary permissions. A simple restart every few days can also significantly improve your Mac's overall responsiveness and clear out temporary files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.